Welcome my student. How are you? I hope you all are well. I am Rabindranath Pramanik, Senior Teacher, English, Bogota Cantonment Public School and College. I hope you all are doing well under this pandemic situation. I am going to teach all of you, the student of class 8, subject English grammar. Particular topics I am going to teach you: suffix and prefix. You know that there are 8 parts of speeches. Among them, 4 are base word, but another are subsidiary word. Root or base word: noun, adjective, verb, and adverb. Subsidiary word: pronoun, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Root or base word can be turned into another meaningful word by adding word or words end or in front of the root or base word. As for example, happy, unhappy, happy, happiness. Success, successful, succeed, successfully. Success noun, successful adjective, succeed verb, successfully adverb. These new words are known as derivatives. Derivatives are of 2 types: suffix and prefix. Suffix. Suffix is a letter or a group of letters added at that end of a word to make another word. For example, good plus ness, goodness. Prefix. Prefix is a letter or a group of letters added to the front of a word to make another meaningful word. As for example, cloud, be cloud. Few examples are given for your better understanding. Verb can be turned into noun. Treat plus meant, treatment. Drive plus R, driver. Box plus R, boxer. Supply plus R, supplier. Verb also can be adjective. Move plus able, movable. Learn plus ed, learn. Narrate plus tip, narrative. Formation of verb: beauty, F plus FY5, beautify. Civil plus is, civilize. Let us discuss about prefix. Prefix: a word or letter is placed before the base or root word. For example, be plus come, become. Im plus power, empower. Ill plus legal, illegal. In plus action, inaction, etc. Now, dear student, from your book, you will try to learn the model questions which will help you to make your idea clear. Try to learn the model question, particularly suffix and prefix. In that case, you must learn model question from 1 to 20 at home first time. Thank you all. But I want to say you, stay home, stay safe, wash your hand frequently. Thanks.